Bro, did I just do that in front of cop? Woo-hoo-hoo, I'm dumb. Middle finger to the sky. Come on, come by. What's up, Barcelonas? Whoa, watch out. It is Monday, but Monday's over, so we good. Now we just gotta do the rest of the week. Hell yeah, man, I'm cool. I got this. I guess there's not a cop behind me, or he'd probably be up my butt right now. Hell yeah, bro. Ooh, watch out, I don't trust nobody. See that blinker? I don't believe, what is he, oh. Bro, you dragging, whatever. People go, what's that noise? You're dragging half the bottom of your car. But whatever, I guess. It's not really functional. I mean, it is, but not for your needs. Bro, you gotta love a bike. Hey, I'm out. Uh-oh, I see a bike. Hold on, let's say what's up. Ah, what's up, boy? Yeah, dude. Is that a live wire? I think so. Hey, FC! Might have been a CB. I don't know. It looked like FZ8. So I was on Discord the other night talking to one of the family members. If you ain't on the Discord, come join us. We have a lot of fun in there. We're always laughing about something, and I'm usually like showing y'all comments and whatever. Sometimes I might sneak peek some shit or try to get y'all's opinion on a video. So please come join us on the Discord, man. It's a family, bro. Come talk to your cousins. So I'm on there and I'm talking to one of the family members, and he's like, bro, you gotta tell this story. And I was like, all right. Back when I was gonna go work for AT&T, I actually got hired by them twice. I got hired the first time, went and took the drug test, did the physical, and decided, nah, I wanna go work for this band instead. And I went and worked for the band for a while, and I was like, you know what? Because I wasn't really 100% sure I was done working for bands. But that one right there convinced me that I didn't want to work for bands anymore. So I quit and applied at AT&T again. And the same person who hired me before, I just called her up and she was like, yeah, okay, go take another drug test and a physical. And I'm like, all right. So I go down to the drug test place and take my drug test, and they're like, we don't have any doctors. You're gonna have to wait a while. How long? It's gonna be an hour. Dude, it was like 3 hours later, this doctor shows up. She got a line of dudes I guess she gotta do physicals on. So I'm like waiting on her to come. It takes forever. Dude, I was there all day, right? Finally, the lady comes out. She does a little check on me. She you know, the blood pressure, all that stuff. And then she's like, all right, it's time for the hernia check. I need you to go ahead and pull your pants down. And I was like, yo, what? What? Like, what? What for what? And she's like, well, I gotta check and see if you got a hernia. I was like, I had a physical like a couple months ago when a guy didn't make me pull my pants down. And I was like, I don't see any reason why I should have to pull my pants down now. Bro, a dually van, bro. What the hell? Huh. I don't know that I've ever seen that. I'm 45, I ain't never seen a dually van. So I'm like, yo, that guy didn't make me pull my pants down. I don't see why I have to do it. And she's like, well, it's part of the physical. And I was like, no, it's not. The guy didn't make me do it. And I got hired last time. So it's not part of the physical. Well, if you don't do it, I'm just going to have to put on the paper that you refuse to complete the physical. And I was like, bullshit, you know? So it's me and her going back and forth for a while, right? And finally, she's like, all right, well, I'll get a guy in here. I was like, that don't make it no better. I'm just gonna be up in this room pulling my dingus out in front of 2 people with the door closed? Like, no, hell no, bro. That's weird, bro. It's just weird. Like, it's weird. I don't know this lady. She's like an older Jamaican lady. This guy is like standing there looking at his boat, right? So we argued for a minute, and finally I got mad, and I was like, fine. And I pulled my pants down, right? And your boy was looking at me, and you could see him get that, like, there I am standing there, ding-a-ling swinging, right? And he's like, He got a big old glimpse of it. So I'm like, damn, dude. Like, I walked out of that place feeling like I've been violated, bro. Like, I know how girls feel now when dudes get all feely and shit and they don't want them touching. Like, it really, like, made me feel, it gave me, like, an appreciation for how a girl can feel when a guy gets that way, you know? So I walk out of there feeling like I've been actually assaulted, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, you know? So then I go to training and there's all these dudes in there and we're all talking about, you know, what we did to get the job. And I was like, how about the fact they make you pull your pants down to get this job? And everybody looks at me like, what the fuck, what? And I'm like, well, I had to pull my pants down. The lady made me drop my drawers and touch on my private parts and stuff. And they're like, we didn't have to take our pants down. Nobody in there. There's like 30 other dudes. Not one of them had to pull their pants down. Just me. Bro, that lady actually assaulted me, dude. It's like, that lady is a serial dick toucher. She just goes around touching dicks all day under the guise of like, she has to, and it's a medical thing, bro. I was like, bro, oh, I should sue her, man. I should sue that place for allowing that shit. Like, if that was a woman and a male doctor was doing unnecessary things to her like that, touching her on her private parts, bro, that dude would be locked up. And they let this lady just go around touching dicks all day long, just willy-nilly, grabbing willies. Bro, I was not happy when I found out them other dudes didn't get touched. So, that's my story. Oh, man. We did a group ride yesterday. I kind of fucked it up, honestly. I was messing with the settings. The settings we're looking at now look good when you're riding, but when you're standing there looking at bikes and trying to slow it down, it looks terrible. So, luckily for me, I double filmed some stuff, and I might be able to put that together with some things. And there's a bunch of riding. The group ride was for a young man who passed away. His name was Brian. He had been riding for 4 months, and he was 17 years old. So yesterday was a really hard day for a lot of people. It just was sad. It's not Angry D all happy and making jokes, because his mom was there, his family was there, his, you know, little cousins and brothers and sisters, and it just was, it wasn't a day of like goofiness, you know. It was a day of remembrance and reflection, celebration of a young man's life. Nobody was going crazy at all. I mean, that was the most chill ride I ever seen. So if you guys could, man, keep young Brian and his mother and his family in your prayers, and you know, just be safe. I love you guys. I love y'all a lot. Y'all mean a lot to me, really. I know every single one of y'all. The streams, I mean, dude, we're family now. there's no escaping it. And look, join us on the Discord server. Join us on the live streams every Friday at 8 p.m. Central. Some Fridays I might not do them because I got busy weeks. I'm one dude, you know. Most of these channels got a team of people. You're looking at the entire team right here. So some days, some weeks I might miss. But yeah, come check us out on live stream. It's fun as hell, man. You'll find out what I'm talking about when I call you Bossalina. So I love you guys. Please be safe. I'm gonna see if we can make it all the way to the front before the light turns green. Actually, we should probably get over some. Like, get over there. Let's wait. We'll keep going. Slow race, slow race, slow race. Oh, look at this dude moving. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate that. All the way to the front? I guess so. Oh. Oh, bro. How about that timing? Oh, watch out for this guy. Love you guys. Haters kiss my butt, so what? I don't care.